Put this on top of your iPhone and it's gonna make you wanna keep it for another 10 years. And it's so easy to apply, you can do it in less than 10 seconds. Just put it on top of your phone, grab on these sides, pull the dust removal tape, swipe, and tear off the sticker. After about 5 seconds, you can remove the tray, and to make it even go faster, you can swipe. After the air is absorbed, as you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 30 seconds. Our hydrophobic electroplated layer gives you a super smooth surface, and it's also fingerprint proof. Our privacy screen protector gives you coverage from both sides, 28 degrees. And this is not a dust, by the way. It is scratch resistant. As you can see, not a single scratch.